Hello. Today we're going to dissect the social media content of a brand that I've recently fell in love with. In their social media content, Notion highlights a lot of use cases. Now this helps their users and new users figure out what else can they use Notion for. They also do some topical content which, like we all know, helps them build a top of the mind recall and stay relevant. Now these user features that they've done is a very interesting part. Of course, these three names mean nothing to you and I. But when we see these people, we connect them to the kind of people who use Notion and what are they using Notion for. They also do some lifestyle content here and there. Every now and then they highlight new places that Notion is now active in. What this basically means is that Notion is now available in the languages of these places. They obviously use their social media presence to talk about their new products. It'd be stupid not to, right? It keeps their users updated on what's up with Notion and what is something new that they're bringing to the table. To make you feel like you're a part of their entire journey, they also sometimes do BTS, meaning behind the scenes content. They don't post a lot of content, so I literally had to go to January 2022 to get this dissection. Let me know what you think about this particular dissection and which brand would you want me to dissect next.